far where I come from.
I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense, but nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never changed. I'm packing, I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it, love yourself.
Practice what you preach.
Have I not been recording this whole time? Wow. Alright, my mic was turned off. Alright, so maybe I heard the music, but y'all didn't hear when I said good morning before the music played. But I didn't say much anyways. Yeah, man, I figured out how to get music now, or at least some kind of instrumentals. So streams won't be boring anymore. I got my intro, outro. We moving up. that helps me too, so I can stay focused, I can lock in, and still not have to worry about a chat. I don't have to worry about copyright claims anymore. I made my own beats. Nah, let me stop. You know, there's nothing you can't learn from YouTube. Even my C-Rose caps on the bottom is a lot cleaner, a lot better than it was last time. So what I noticed is that in the past streams, even though the quality seems like it was recording just fine for me, it was an issue with my output. My output was an SD. Alright, so just like in the video that I posted yesterday, I was bearish, and I figured, we may not get to come up here at 21,500, and so I mean, we'll see if it just keeps dropping, which is honestly what I think is gonna happen, and it might just be hard to man. In the stream yesterday, we talked about this being initially a bullish breaker that became an inversion, and that was going lower. It may not have to come up here in order to go down, but I'm just gonna be patient and watch, because I'll wait. So for me, I'll wait till about 15 minutes after the news. Because we could go up, because I'll show you what I have for DXY. Let's see. So after this candle closes, we will check. But everything makes sense on the 15-minute. This is not a displacement to me. We can see what happens if it takes this low, but it's probably just gonna keep going lower. And why didn't I catch this since I was bearish anyways? I don't trade news. If I miss out, I think I said it in my earlier, well, 2 videos ago. Yo, I'm willing to miss out on trades this year. I don't want it to be too much of a guessing game. You know, we can't predict everything completely, but we can be responsible. We can be responsible. So I'm sure we took some sell side liquidity, right? But why not go lower? Why not? I don't pull the trigger until post 8:45. That's my rule. Yeah. I do not expect this fair value gap to hold if we come all the way up here. So I would not be taking that. But I expect many people to take it or try to take it, you know. Is there a scenario where I would take it? Yeah, I would need confirmation inside of it. Otherwise, this can come up and come down here, and I'm still gonna just chill out. I would need confirmation inside of it. Yeah, I don't trust this at all. Not this one. Alright, so right now we took sell side, and we can more than likely coming up here with at least start to change the bullish order flow. Oh, to change to bullish order flow, and then work its way up here. And so then it's really just a matter of, does it continue or does it retrace and come back down? And so it's okay to be patient. We could just come up here and come back down, you know what I mean? Is that 6:45? 6 o'clock? I know I don't trust no 6 o'clock highs. But I didn't trust 5 o'clock highs, 5:45, 6 o'clock highs on Wednesday, and that baby's still intact. So it happens. If I was a market maker, I'd just drop it from here. You know, people trying to buy this dip, and then sellers waiting for here. You know, you want to make it tough for them. That's if I was a market maker, but I'm not the algo that controls this. What? We're right at a NWOG. Let's see. Yeah, just drop over here. This is not my setup. This is me reading tape, so this could be a demo trade. I'll take a look to see if it works out. That's the only thing I don't like about this not indicator, but what do you call it? I guess you could say indicator. It shows you the in-log on not even a 3 minute. So it pops up on a 4 minute and higher, but on a 1 minute it's not going to. And I'm not a tech person per se, but well, not at all. I would imagine that is because you can only go so far back based off of time frames, and so that's probably why 1 minute is just way too many candles, you know. So, but hey man, thanks to the person that created it, because I wouldn't have it at all, you know. So what I sent out to my group, not group really, it's not my group, it's just, you know, 3 friends. Just my thoughts on DXY. I mean, we hella bullish, but I'm like, yo, DXY could pull back. If DXY pull back, I could see us pulling out some buys for on indexes, but I'm still overall bullish though, right? It's just that you can't rely on DXY for executions, you know, but it's just the thought on the daily, weekly kind of thing, because look at that, DXY will consolidate for weeks while the market is moving, you know. So back here, what has this candle done? Virtually nothing. This 15-minute candle. We come down here. We've taken out sell side, but we've beaten this up so much. I feel like sell side liquidity is actually here. So even if I wouldn't mind price coming down here and then catching a buy, but it doesn't have to. It doesn't have to go up all the way. I don't have to catch a whole move. I can just catch something from here to here, and I'd be happy with that. I'd be happy with that. Let's see. Nips was telling me about this button right here. Wow, it actually does work. Remember you telling me about this yesterday? Remember you was telling me about this yesterday? does show. It does work. I guess that's his limit orders. I want to see what it's like if I buy a market, can I then drag it over? That's what I really want to see. So, but I'm not gonna focus too much on aesthetics. A trade from why does it have to be a buy? Oh, stop limit. Here, that could be a good trade too, but what other news do we have? What were the non-farm payroll numbers? So non-farms 256. This green means it's better, right? The forecast was 164 and the numbers are now 256, so it was actually greater than the forecast. Is really good for currency, which would makes, theoretically I should say, it should make DXY better because it's good for currency. So if it makes DXY better and it brings the numbers indexes down, right? Because ideally DXY going up means everything else goes down. Generally. I mean, not everything, but generally. And so perhaps people will see these numbers and start selling, and then maybe we do go for a buy. Right? I try not to overthink these things and just focus on analytics, but these are just thoughts that I think plague the mind, where if these numbers are good and it makes a lot of people sell, then perhaps we do buy, you know. But I do still think long term we're going down, because the effects of numbers release, it's not always immediate. You know, the market's gonna try to make some money regardless of what the number is. And so, you know, those who study economics or have studied economics before, we know that the effect of the interest rate, right? You're not going to see immediate effects. You'll see immediate reactions, you know, in the stock market and news release and how people reply to it. but the effects of it really doesn't happen or go into play until months later, you know. So interest rates going up does not necessarily mean that the market is gonna go high or up immediately. The effects on the economy happen later, but they're not here for this. They're not here for this. We're just day traders, man. Gonna keep consolidating and then go lower. Consolidation, continuation. That's what I said yesterday, right? Consolidation, continuation. We got time. We're here for a while. It's 8:56. Is the market probably waiting for traders to come in with volatility? The options open? I don't think options open yet. It's SPY, right? But you might see a ooh. Pre-market low. Oh, you know what? Yeah. So if you're in options, you probably can see at the pre-market low. So if you're in a buy, you're probably like, oh, if you was in calls overnight, you're probably like, I can't close these, you know, because you probably saw this as a buy opportunity, man. Listen, they say options you can only lose what you risk, but I don't know. I'm not a fan. Alright, let's come back to NQ. Oh, no, we're in 2025. What am I doing? Is that today? Oh, that's March 15th. Huh. Just kidding. Alright, so we're basically trying to see if we're trending below this analog. Bullish order flow has not begun. Be right back. Market opens in about 15 minutes. Alright, look like we are gonna work our way back up here. These are not equal highs. These are not equal highs, but that might be an area where they work back to. Then do work up here. Could come up here and then if there's SMT around here, I would look to short. Look for a short setup. Patience is the name of the game. This would be an inversion. That's what this is, and brought it down. Gotta be careful. And then yes. miss anything. So ES got 2.5 standard deviation. If we continue lower, then these are my targets. This is ES. 918. I'm looking at everything, why price react the way that it does, from where, all of that. DXY, what I was talking about, that buy side, it could potentially come back down. Right. Good for currency, just to work your way down. Let's see. Maybe on my next stream I'll have some sound effects. We'll see. Market opening in 5 minutes. Real time. Always real time, folks. Market open in 2 minutes. If you bought the dip, you're probably rejoicing now. It's really looking really good. Just not my setup. You know what'd be crazy? Spend the whole day tape reading and not taking a trade. I'd be okay with that. But if you sat there and watched the stream for however long it is that it take, it might not do anything. Another reason why I won't live stream, you know, but we'll see. market is open. We could continue going down now. Let's see. You don't have to get about 50% of range if you have it up from there, or a little bit higher if you have it from there. Okay. Inversion, I could sell. Let's make this a short try. What I'm seeing this as is I'm seeing this as an inversion, but I'm giving it a short leash, because it could just skyrocket. That's okay. If it's an L, it's an L. Alright, looks like I probably sold too soon, but I'm gonna let my stop loss continue working for me and go on from there. It's me thinking that we don't have to go all the way from here and that blue line. And so I'm thinking that order flow is, you know what I mean, is being respected, keeping it bearish. And so that's the reason why I'm taking a look at that. And so I'm hoping I can be right and that we go down. I'll take this stop loss here if we can get down here. Continue bearish. Yeah, I'd be happy with that. I'd be happy with this. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But remember, being wrong once or taking profits and then just taking profits and not getting back in. So I want to get the low this low. That's what I want to do. And what I want is to put a buy limit of 1 here, and then another buy limit of 1. But if I'm wrong, I just get stopped out, close these, and then wait for another setup. Okay. Am I holding my trade longer now? Come on, get down there. Now, honestly, I would. Now this, I want this to become an inversion now. Like, I don't want us going way back up here, man. You know what I mean? But I want to see if I can hold this. See how I react. And continue going short. Take partial now. Let's take half of that. Go here. Close that. And let's try to see if we can get further. So that way, we're profitable. Alright? I don't want us getting way up. I don't want us getting back above this. So I need this to hold. Is what I want. Yeah, I want that inversion fair value gap to hold. Let me see what this looks like on a 15-minute. This wick could be respected. Take it, man. Take it. Don't be greedy. This has been a hell of a profitable week. Here's what I'm looking for, right? What I'm watching is, I want us to blow past this fast, man, is what I want. I don't like 50% of this wick being respected just for us to come all the way up here. Hey, no. You should go down. But that is absolutely okay, and I am okay with this. because a bunch of sellers are trying to sell down here, and I want us to go down here faster, you know. So I'm thinking about speed is what I'm thinking about, but we're gonna keep watching. You say I'm probably just not being patient enough, and maybe that is the case, to be honest with you. But because I've seen it before where you have this 50% of this wick being respected and that thing turned all the way around. But I mean, I should just took partials and let it go, but that's okay. Like I said, it's January, we're building. So far profitable for 3 days in a row, and I'm just taking wisdom with it, right? So we'll see if this is an inversion that continues going forward, that continues the bearish order flow. See if that a volume imbalance it is. So I'm absolutely okay with just reading. Yeah. Yeah. Keep the chart clean. I low-key want to jump back in, but I'm not going to. I think we go lower. Yeah. Will the market makers let the sellers have it? I think market makers give it to them. Come on, you gotta take that low at this point, right? Like, you got this close, you gotta take that low, right? Right? Like, did you come this far not to take that low? Did you come this low not to take it? I'm looking at the same exact thing on ES to see if it takes that low or not. Like, we might as well take that low. There we go. Don't play no games now. Just drop. Your trade setup from an area of interest. Alright, I think it's time to get off the charts. ES and and NQ both took those lows, so more than likely it will continue. But it is a Friday, TGIF, and I am suffice. Discipline is the name of the game this year, man. So price could play with market rates. Now, here's what I wish I did. I do wish that I took my partial here. No, I'm not mad that I took my partial here. I'm sorry. What I should have left one running to see if we took the low or possibly go lower, and then just trail my stop loss. But that is absolutely okay. So why did I sell when I did? And what was my reason? Well, I think I said it before before that I was looking for sales. What I was looking for was just simply a setup, right? Even whether we got all the way up here or not was one thing. Price respected my blue line. I mentioned that we didn't have to go all the way up here. So we have the market open gap inside of an inversion fair value gap to continue bearish order flow. And then it was a matter of, because this was already tapped. So if we came back down here, I was hoping that this would become an inversion as well, in which it did. And so I'm glad I took that. I'm okay. Where do I think it ultimately can go, even once I end the stream? 4 standard deviations. All of these are areas of interest, but I got my slice of the pie, and that is absolutely okay. 1 trade, 3 profitable days. I'm really feeling good about it. Whether it comes all the way down or not, I am content. I am content. We have where's my call out? There we go. is 9:56. All right, it is time to go ahead and end this stream, man.
Red Sea, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is.
I'm outta here, y'all.
I don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Red Sea, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, I don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now.
I'm not mad.